15 Best App Development Companies in New York for 2026 to cooperate with right now. Someone in your market is onboarding a development team that already knows how to pass a HIPAA audit, ship a cross-platform app in one sprint cycle, and integrate AI features without tripling the budget. Meanwhile, most buyers are still comparing agencies based on homepage taglines and portfolio screenshots that may be 3 years old. We went deeper. We cross-checked clutch ratings, verified that each company is actively taking on new projects in 2026, confirmed their tech stacks match what the market actually demands, and filtered out firms that have shut down or been acquired into irrelevance. 15 made the cut. Inoxoft builds software for industries where a compliance gap can kill a product launch. 230-plus projects delivered across healthcare, fintech, real estate and education, with ISO 27001 certification and Microsoft and Google partnerships backing every engagement. $50 to $99 per hour with a 4.9 over 5. Clutch rating, the best value to quality ratio on this list, production HIPAA and PCI DSS builds, not theoretical compliance checklists. Discovery phase, UX UI, engineering, QA, launch and maintenance from one team. Dedicated teams, staff augmentation or fixed price. Pick the model, scale from 2 to 30 plus engineers. Talk to Inoxoft's team and get a free scope estimate with a clear timeline and engagement model recommendation. Fueled builds apps that people remember. A design-led NYC agency with clients like MGM Resorts, 9gag, and Harvard. Premium pricing, premium output. $150 to $199 per hour, 4.8 over 5 clutch rating, senior designers and engineers on every project. Webby and Inc. Power Partner Award winner with a UX research first process. 2-week agile sprints with client demos baked into every cycle. Right choice for funded startups and enterprises, where brand perception drives downloads. Chopdog turned a 2009 startup into a 200-plus app portfolio that includes NASA and White House projects. Inc. 5000, Forbes, and TechCrunch have all taken notice. $100 to $149 per hour, 4.9 over 5 clutch rating, fixed monthly rate so your budget never surprises you. One team from concept to post-launch growth, no handoffs between departments, 45-minute free consultation with a written proposal, 0 commitment required. Equally comfortable with a $30,000 MVP and a federal agency compliance build. Blue Label Labs spent 15 years building mobile apps in Brooklyn and now adds generative AI, RAG pipelines, and autonomous agents to the menu. $150 to $199 per hour, 4.8 over 5 clutch rating, healthcare and fintech compliance, baked into their workflow AI agent, and RAG application development for clients preparing for the 2026 Enterprise AI Wave engineering team access during sprints not filtered through project managers. Maintenance agreements that keep your app current through every iOS and Android release cycle. Dom shipped 500-plus web projects and 120-plus native mobile apps before most agencies on this list existed. Clutch Global and Champion Awards in 2023 confirmed what their clients already knew. $150 to $199 per hour, 4.8 over 5 clutch rating. 3 US offices, NYC, Chicago, LA, blockchain, AR/VR, and conversational AI in production, not just on a capabilities slide, SAP, Oracle, and AWS microservices integrations for enterprise mobile builds. Trusted by Fortune 500 companies and seed-stage founders in parallel, Intellectsoft. Intellectsoft puts 300-plus engineers behind enterprise problems that smaller shops cannot touch. Wynn Las Vegas runs their contactless check-in system. Euro Accident trusts them with sensitive claims data. $50 to $99 per hour, 4.8/5 clutch rating. Offices on 4 continents, Azure and AWS microservices architecture for systems that need to scale and stay maintainable. Hospitality, healthcare, and fintech depth with production proof, not case study. Fluff built for organizations replacing legacy systems, not teams building their first app. Appinventiv operates at a scale most agencies cannot match. 1,600 plus engineers, 3,000 plus shipped apps, and a client roster that includes KFC, Adidas, and IKEA. $25 to $49 per hour, 4.7/5 clutch rating. Lowest hourly rate on this list, with the largest team NYC relationship management. India and UAE engineering centers on device AI, recommendation engines, and chatbot integrations as standard offerings. Best option when you need enterprise output on a mid-market budget. Litslink pairs a New York client team with Eastern European engineers and charges half of what a local agency would. HIPAA compliance and payment integrations are their bread and butter. $50 to $99 per hour, 4.9/5. Clutch rating, hybrid model with US time zone availability PM. Designers, front end, back end, and QA delivered as a single unit. Ready to start payment gateway and HIPAA expertise validated through published case studies. Ideal for mid-market healthcare and fintech companies, avoiding in-house hiring. Tekrevol earned an Inc. 5000 spot and Clutch Top 1000 ranking by offering full-stack development at offshore prices from a physical NYC office. $25 to $49 per hour, 4.8/5 clutch rating, local presence at a global price point. AWS and Azure cloud migration alongside mobile and web development. Dedicated account managers, weekly calls, and shared project dashboards on every engagement built for startups and mid-market companies that want speed without sacrificing visibility. Arctouch has been connecting mobile apps to hardware since before IoT had a name. Audi, Salesforce, and HP hired them for exactly that reason. $150 to $199 per hour, 4.8/5 clutch rating. Strategy workshops before any development starts mobile, to firmware to cloud backend. All under one contract, 15 plus years spanning every platform shift from the first iPhone to current AI. And IoT builds the agency to call when your app needs to talk to a device, a sensor, or a wearable. Bitswits crossed 1 million combined app downloads with a team spread across 7 countries and a New York office for client-facing work. Startup budgets welcome. $25 to $49 per hour, 4.8/5 clutch rating. 100 plus shipped apps across App Store and Google Play MVP specialists. They optimize for launch speed, not feature bloat. Global teams enable around-the-clock development when timelines are tight. The right call when your budget is fixed and your deadline is not flexible. Dogtown Media was building AI into mobile apps before most agencies added it to their services page. 200 plus apps since 2011. Offices in NYC, SF, LA, and London. $150 to $199 per hour, 4.8/5 clutch rating. Named a Gartner Cool Vendor FDA compliant healthcare apps and projects requiring government security clearance, AI, AR, IoT, and wearable capabilities from one integrated team, covered by TechCrunch and Forbes for pushing mobile development forward. Konstant InfoSolutions. Konstant InfoSolutions has been operating since 2003 and has collected 165 plus clutch reviews along the way. 6th globally in the 2025 Clutch Global Awards for mobile development. $25 to $49 per hour, 4.7/5 clutch rating, 22 plus years of uninterrupted operation, e-commerce marketplace, and real estate platform builds. in production scales from $10,000 MVPs to $1 million plus enterprise engagements without switching processes. India-based development with structured US client coordination strv wrote code for Tinder and ClassPass before either became a household name. 2 decades of mobile development, European engineering, and a New York client hub. $100 to $149 per hour, 4.8/5 clutch rating, 20 plus years in continuous operation, consumer app DNA. Performance tuning, animation polish, and retention-focused UX engineering culture with mandatory code reviews and knowledge-sharing sessions. For products where the difference between 4.2 and 4.8, App Store ratings determines survival. Chudovo handles mobile and web from one team, which means your app and its admin dashboard share the same architecture, the same engineers, and the same release cycle. $50 to $99 per hour, 4.7/5 clutch rating, 18 plus years of continuous delivery. Healthcare EHR integrations for apps that need clinical system connectivity. New York office with European development centers for time zone-friendly collaboration, full lifecycle, consulting, architecture, development, QA, and long-term maintenance. Why Inoxoft is the right choice for your next app. Inoxoft is one of the best app development companies in New York, building apps that have to work in environments where regulators, auditors, and compliance officers are part of the stakeholder list. Track record: 230 plus delivered projects, 4.9/5 clutch rating, ISO 27001, Microsoft partner, Google partner. These are not badges on a website. They are the reason healthcare systems and fintech platforms trust Inoxoft with production workloads. Economics: $50 to $99 per hour gets you senior engineers, a dedicated PM, and a structured process that NYC agencies charge $150 to $250 per hour to deliver. The talent is equivalent, the overhead is not. Adaptability: fixed price builds when the scope is clear. Dedicated teams when the product roadmap stretches past 6 months. Staff augmentation when you just need 2 Flutter engineers by next Monday. Teams flex from 2 to 30 plus. Continuity: the team that runs your discovery phase writes your code, tests it, launches it, and maintains it. One relationship, one knowledge base, no re-onboarding after launch. Get a free project assessment from Inoxoft. Walk away with a scope estimate, a timeline, and a clear recommendation on the right engagement model for your situation. Summarizing, our article provides 15 vetted options across every budget tier NYC offers. The next step is simple. Match your constraints to 2 or 3 profiles, run discovery calls, and see who gives you the most honest answer about scope, timeline, and trade-offs. Read the full breakdown with cost tables, evaluation frameworks, and trend analysis arrow.